Welcome back. Today we are, I think, in our. Today we are. Let me open the Jupyter in machine learning tutorials, and I think it's linear regression. Let's open it. Open the Jupyter. Now, why we need YouTube? Okay, desktop linear regression. Let's open them and see what we do until now. Wait a little. Okay. This is the place we were coding, and this is the code we do in the previous lesson. Okay. Until now, what we do is that at first we import our libraries, read data, divide data to x and y, show the data, train the data, and plot the answers. Okay, we can plot the answers, and we do it right. In the past lesson, I said I will try and fix the problem in this lesson. Okay. Let's go and try to fix it. Wait a little. Okay, how to fix it? We go to what we are doing, data x, data y. I say you in the past lesson that our problem is our x and y are not in a same type. Let's say type data x, it's pandas core frame data, and ypred is type ypred is NumPy and array. We want to change this data x ypred to pandas core. Okay, how to do it? We copy this. Let's create another cell. We want to change NumPy and array to pandas.core.frame data frame. We just easily go and search how to convert to. Okay. Import NumPy and import pandas array df pd.dataframe array. Okay, we give this code and try to run it. Let's see, def is pd data frame. For array we just write ypred, and then ypred type is also we must pandas core.frame data frame. It's working right. Now if we copy this line and let me type here data x, for ypred we write def. What is this saying? Let's see what is the problem now. Def 0. What is the problem? Their type is, its type is right. Len, its len is right. Len data x. This len is right too. Oh, we didn't write anything here. Let's write it. What is the problem? It's nothing we can get here. Okay, let's go trace back. Must recent call last. Okay, let's run this line again. And okay, what should we do? these lengths are equal, the type is equal, I think. Let's again get type of them, type def, it's pandas type data x. Let's see if I put data y here, what happened, data y. Okay, we have some more problem that I found with it. Okay, why this is the same thing. Oh, it's scatter and it's plot. I see what is the problem. Okay, let's for now just scatter it and then we are going to plot it too. Okay, for data y we write y pred. As you can see, this is the line that's going to show us this data's prediction. Okay, we just go to how to create two scatter plot in Matplotlib. Okay, creating multiple plots on a single plot. Import matplotlib.figure. It's getting us. Okay, it's I somehow understand what to do. Let's copy this line. Okay, as you can see, this is the line that predicts the price, and we do it in a right way and fix the problem. For plt.plot, I teach you in some lessons how to use it, but not for now. If you want, you can go to Matplotlib and know about it. Have a good day. Don't forget to subscribe and like.